Alright guys, so here's a review on the washer bottle and how to get it out. Actually in this case it's, I'm going to show you where the mounting locations are for it. And basically to get this out, to get access to it would be helpful to have you'll need to drop the skirt under it and pull the inner fender liner out to be able to get to this area, because you're going to have to drop it down and pull it out from under it. But what we have here is there is a hanger right here, and there is one 10mm here, and then down there, that's where the two support posts come in. They come in on this support right here, and you have one there and one there. You take those out, unscrew them, take this one out, and I'll do that in a second, and then you have to pop this bracket out of the way, and then that'll give you room for the neck to pass down and pull the bottle out. Let me set the camera up and I'll take it back out. And with the radiator in here, the radiator sits right here. You have hoses. This is tricky to get to, but you can get to them. That is not a 12, it is again. Of course, I just refresh these so they are super easy to remove. This is the one that broke. The nut was seized onto it and it just snapped the whole thing off. And I actually have, these are aluminum nuts, M6 nuts, that I had for it was a greenhouse kit that came with T-bolts. I have a whole bunch of these left over, so I've been using them where I might need to remove a fastener without damaging the stud threads, because these you can pretty much just cut them off. And now up here, this one will be tricky to get to, but that right there needs to come out. I always hit the camera. This one will need to come out. And I mean, it's pretty much loose now. Before we go any further though, we need to disconnect the pump and the level sensor, just so you have a better view with the fender off. This one is a clip, and this one actually got rotated. It should be at least like that, so you can pull on it, get it to come off. And then under here, is the washer pump. You just push that bail in, lift it up. Come on. There we go. Now it's loose. Alright. Now we want to grab this bracket here and push it up until it pops loose, like that. Then we can take this bracket out of the way. And now the washer fluid bottle can be pulled out from the bottom and lowered down out of the way like that. So reinstallation is opposite. Want to feed it up through here, move it over to the side, and then these two ears on the top of this clip go into these square holes right here on the front clip. And you want to push down on it. There we go. So it clicks. Sandwiches it in there. Let me put this and 10 back in. And then the bottom, you kind of move it around until you can get the studs to poke through there. That one needs a little adjustment. There we go, that one's in. That needs to be moved. There we go, like that. Don't need to be super tight, just snugged on there. Now we need to reconnect the wood level sensor right here. It's not wanting to cooperate. There we go. And then washer pump.